Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove Google Chrome notifications on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. Okay, here you can press on the app like this. And then you can click app info icon. Well, after that you can select notifications. And then you can scroll down. And then you can select notifications categories. Okay, and then here will appear some website that frequently send notifications on your device. And then to remove it, you can turn off the notifications like this. And then you will never get the notifications anymore. And then this step you can apply it to any app that frequently send notifications on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove Google Chrome notifications on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.